from bar graph example 2, we're given a list of the most common elements found in the human body, and we are asked to create a bar graph to display the data. I'm going to just take a look at this list, and like I said last time, in our last example, I want to be able to find the range. So I want to be able to know what the maximum and what the minimum is, because that'll just help me visualize and set up my graph in the best way possible. And taking a look at this, I can see that my maximum is up here, is oxygen, and then the minimum is phosphorus and other at 1%. So I know that I'm going to need to go from 0% all the way up to at least 65. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to 75, and then I'll split it into thirds, right? And third of the way would be 25%. 2/3 of the way up would be 50%. Let's just write percent out here because every number I refer to is going to be a percent. And can kind of split it up a little bit more. Let's count by like 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. That was kind of off, but that's okay. And let's go through and we will plot all these different elements. So along the x-axis, right, along the x-axis, we're going to list the different elements. So up first is oxygen, and oxygen had 65%. So this was 50, 55, 60, 65. And we are making bar graphs. So I'm going to make a bar all the way up there. And then my next element is carbon, and carbon had 18%. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20. So 18 is right in between 15 and 20. So about right there. And that's where that bar will go. And then we have hydrogen, and hydrogen had 10%, so that goes up to right here. Nitrogen came next, and nitrogen, there was only 3%, so we're trying to get a little bit lower, right? Nitrogen, calcium, I think it's Ca, and calcium had 2%, so a little less than this. And then we have phosphorus. Phosphorus is 1%, so just one little blip up, as well as other. It's just the same height as phosphorus. And that's it.